Welcome back to Health and Wellness for you and your in another episode of Trey Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious bowl of salt and butter popcorn, the old school way, before microwaves. So, let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is light our stove top on our gas range stove. I like to have it around 4 or 5, around mid-range or a little less than mid-range. It's important not to have it too hot so that way we don't burn our popcorn. And since we're making buttered popcorn, we're going to add our butter. Do you have a family recipe for popcorn seasoning or a special way you prepare popcorn for movie night? Leave a comment and let me know. What's your go-to movie genre or specific film that you always pair with popcorn? Have you ever experimented with adding unconventional ingredients to popcorn? What was the result? Leave a comment and let me know. Next, we're going to add our popcorn kernels. Next, we're going to add our glass lid to our frying pan so we can monitor the popcorn as it's popping. Now, this is very important. If you notice on my frying pan, I have metal handles. So you need to either put handle covers on them and or have oven mittens to protect your hands from getting burnt. Throughout this popcorn popping process, we're going to make sure we shake our frying pan to make sure the butter gets all over the popcorn kernels and make sure the popcorn does not burn. Okay, and then just like some of the other portions of our other videos, we're going to speed up the video a little bit for you. Here's some fun nutritional facts about popcorn. Popcorn is high in fiber. It's a good source of dietary fiber with around 3.6 grams per 1 ounce serving. Fiber aids digestion, promotes safety, and supports heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Popcorn is low in calories. A serving of air popped popcorn contains around 31 calories, making it a low-calorie snack option. However, be cautious of adding toppings like butter because it can significantly increase the calorie content. Our popcorn is popping very nicely. I'm noticing our kernels are getting a little dark, so I'm going to turn down the heat a notch so that way we don't burn our popcorn. What's the weirdest or most unique popcorn flavor you've ever tried, and did you love it or hate it? Leave a comment and let me know. I appreciate your comments. Let's take a look at it and hear a few of my creative popcorn suggestions. It's time for Trey's Creative Popcorn Suggestions. Here are a few creative popcorn dishes with cool names, descriptions, and recipes that you can make at home for you and your. Caramel Crunch Delight Popcorn. Description: classic caramel popcorn with a twist of crushed pretzels and dark chocolate drizzle. Recipe: make caramel popcorn, mix in crushed pretzels, and drizzle melted dark chocolate over it. Peanut Butter Cup Popcorn Bliss. Description: popcorn coated in a creamy peanut butter glaze and studded with mini chocolate peanut butter cups. Recipe: mix melted peanut butter with powdered sugar to create a glaze. Toss with popcorn and mini peanut butter cups. Rainbow Butter Popcorn Fiesta. Description: elevate your popcorn experience with this vibrant mix of buttery popcorn coated in eye-catching shades of bright orange, pink, and green. Perfect for adding a splash of color to any gathering. Recipe: melt butter, sugar, and corn syrup until bubbly. Divide mixture into separate bowls and tint each with food coloring. Pour over popcorn. Toss to coat and let cool before serving this colorful, delightful treat. Popcorn Sugar Waffle Cone Delights. Description: indulge in a trio of delightful sugar cones, each filled with a unique popcorn treat. Caramel-coated crunchiness, chocolate drizzled goodness, and maple syrup infused with crunchy peanuts. Caramel-coated crunchiness popcorn cone. Fill a sugar cone with caramel popcorn. Drizzle additional caramel over the top for extra sweetness. Chocolate drizzled goodness popcorn cone. Fill another sugar cone with popcorn. Melt chocolate and drizzle it over the popcorn-filled cone. Let the chocolate set before serving. Maple syrup and crunchy peanut popcorn cone. Fill the third sugar cone with popcorn. Drizzle maple syrup over the popcorn. Sprinkle chopped peanuts on top for a nutty finish. These delicious popcorn recipes should provide a fun and tasty variety for you and your family and friends to enjoy making at home. What's your all-time favorite popcorn topping or flavor combo? Leave a comment and let me know. In the comments, share a memorable movie night popcorn story from your childhood. I appreciate your comments. Another popcorn fun fact: popcorn is a whole grain food providing essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Popcorn is naturally gluten-free. However, cross-contamination can occur during processing, so it's essential to choose certified gluten-free brands. Popcorn contains polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have the anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to overall health and disease prevention. And lastly, while popcorn is not a significant source of vitamins and minerals, it does contain a small amount of nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which play various roles in maintaining overall health. At this point, there's no more popping, so you want to turn the fire off so that way you don't burn the popcorn. The key now is to transfer the popcorn to another container that you'll be eating the popcorn out of, so that way the popcorn does not burn. We need to get it out of that hot frying pan as quickly as possible. And there you have it. Here's our bowl of salt and buttered popcorn cooked directly on the stove. Let's taste it and see how it is. Look, just like at the movies. Thank you for joining for another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit your notifications so you can get our future videos directly to your cell phone and computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, and most importantly of all, love. It's time for me to go watch a movie.